National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Licking County, northern Franklin County, Ohio, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Burlington, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding. Locations impacted include Upper Arlington, Worthington, Ohio State University, downtown Columbus, Westerville, Easton, Gahanna, New Albany, Reynoldsburg, Pawtascala. In addition, Valley View, Marble Cliff, Riverly, Grandview Heights, Clintonville, Minerva Park, Cuba Ridge and Bexley are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 91 and 124, Interstate 71 between mile markers 108 and 120. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.